Hi guys, it's me, and the reason I'm here is because for the first time ever I have no progress to report this month. Sorry about that, but the problem is that we have just moved in at the end of June and I've spent all of the July unpacking and setting up my Lego new room, which is still pretty far from finished. It's all boxes all over the place and I'm not even sure where most of my models are right now. Could be that big box over there. I have actually managed to drop this box while moving once or twice, so if you want my advice on moving with large amounts of Lego, I just have one: don't. Anyway, I've spent a lot of time reviewing the new Lego sets, including the new Osprey set, which I've managed to get thanks to Brick Depot, so thank you guys. The review should be coming tomorrow, assuming my PC does manage to render it in time, because it's really slow. You can see specs here, I think. The problem is that there has been some update to Windows 10 recently, which has changed something about the NVIDIA drivers, and my PC is really struggling to make 4K videos, well, any videos right now, really. So I'm looking into ways to afford a workstation, maybe one of the Dell workstations, something with NVIDIA Quadro GPU, I guess. Because that machine here is really 7 years old and it's nearing the end of its usefulness. Also this month, as you can see, I have changed the name and logo of my channel, and that comes courtesy of the Lego legal department, which has asked me to remove the name logo from the name of my channel. And of course they own the copyright on the Lego name, so they have a right to do so. They also own the Technic name, so I can't use that either. Hopefully bricks and pets are free to use. What do you think, Muffin? Muffin's not sure. And of course Muffin wants to star in more videos. I mean, look at that face. No, please don't. So in any case, the logo and the name are here to stay for the foreseeable future. I hope you like this, and thank you again, lawyers. Come on. So in any case, stay tuned for the Osprey review, and in the meantime you can check out my new Android apps, because I have managed to find time to update some of them. And if you are interested, here's a quick look at what's new. So I had to change the names and logos in my apps. And first of all, the wheels table app now is sortable, so you can sort the list of wheels by size or weight or width or any number of parameters. Then there's the motor specs app, which has been updated with the latest Control Plus motor and with the two Lego Spike Prime motors. And it's not only sortable by a number of parameters again, but it also has a filter where you can switch to just one of the Lego control systems, like the power functions or the powered up or the 9-volt system. And finally we have the gear calculator app, which has been updated with the new motors as well. I have fixed a couple of bugs, and there is an option to select the voltage that the motor is running at when you want to see the motor's performance calculated, and it affects the theoretical speed of the motor. This is all based on the measurements made by Philo for his website about the motor specs. And so all thanks go to him. So thank you guys for watching, and now it's back to work. Yep, it still works.